九、八、七、六、五、四、三、二、一。
这不是演习，美国点燃了对我们的战争，我们不会忍受这种嘲弄。明天我们将发射一枚名为 EAS 的导弹。至于美国，完战者亡。
This is not a drill. A missile called Wangye 12 is heading for Washington, D.C. It comes from China. From now on, the missile will take about 20 minutes to get here. In the meantime, you must take the following precautions and preparations. Immediate evacuation from Washington, D.C. to 7,000 bunkers across the United States. They can hold 1 million people each. The workers there will provide you with the supplies you need to further your life and civilization. If you don't reach cover within 19 minutes, get out of your car, head to the woods and make sure to duck and cover. This is not a drill.